Click Post Delivery Honest Review Watch before using. Most people assume all delivery management platforms are the same, but ClickPost offers an end-to-end solution for e-commerce logistics. ClickPost is a SaaS platform designed for brands and marketplaces to manage shipping, tracking, and fulfillment. One standout feature is its real-time tracking across multiple courier partners, providing customers and businesses with accurate updates. Most people get this wrong. They assume tracking is automatic with any courier. The surprising truth is that ClickPost integrates with over 200 logistics partners, standardizing tracking data and reducing errors. This improves customer satisfaction and reduces support tickets. Another advantage is automation. ClickPost allows automated label generation, returns management, and delivery notifications. Analytics dashboards help businesses identify bottlenecks, optimize routes, and improve delivery performance. However, there are considerations. Smaller businesses may find pricing less flexible, and onboarding requires technical setup and integration with existing systems. Businesses also need staff familiar with the platform to maximize benefits. In conclusion, ClickPost Delivery is ideal for e-commerce companies looking to streamline logistics and enhance customer experience. It's especially useful for brands shipping with multiple carriers or across regions. Subscribe for more honest delivery and logistics software reviews before choosing your platform.